So draw a straight line like this. Awesome. And then make a line like this. And then take it this way. That's the number 4. Then from this point, come down and then turn this line until it touches this point. You curve it to touch that point. Good. And from here again, you continue down and then touch this other edge. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so what I want you to do is make a point here and another point here. Okay, we are going to make a curve, but not too much of a deep curve.
Like
Just
the one I did.
like a slight curve. Just watch and see what I'm going to do. Just have to curve it a little bit, not too much, like this. And touch that point. Awesome. And then you can draw this one down. You see what I'm doing now? Draw this line to touch here. Awesome. And here, let's make a shape of a flowing water. See what I'm going to do? I'm going to make this shape. It's flowing, it's water that is flowing. Can you make that? Just come down a bit. Come down a little bit somewhere here. Yeah. So make the shape of a flowing water. Like the way I did it. Awesome. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. Then make the curve the part of the boat.
Oh, it's because it's a boat.
Yeah, it's a boat. Curve it to touch the water. Awesome. And also curve this one as well. Awesome.
Do you like my boat?
Yeah, your boat is so fine. Okay, so let's make more curvy shape for the water. Yeah, make more curvy shape for the water, and more, and more,
and more.
Yeah, if you can. Awesome. Then here, let's make a little circles, not too much, just little circles. And at the top, near the top of the boat.
Well, I don't see boats as have
It's okay.
circles.
Yeah, it's okay. You can just make a line to join them. It's just a design.
A design?
Yeah.
A design for what?
Awesome. On the boat.
On the boat to look beautiful.
Yeah, to make it look beautiful, okay? Alright, so can we color it now?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, this boat is so fun. I feel like going on a boat ride right now.
Me too.
Wow, Summer, this is so fun. This is so lovely. Friends, I hope you're also enjoying this drawing and this coloring. Summer, wow, do you want to go on a boat ride?
Yes.
On your boat?
Yeah.
Do you mind if we can put few human beings inside this boat ride? Let's put you and Daddy going on a boat ride. Okay? So let's just make a circle. Let's make a black circle for the head. Make it round like a human being. Then you draw a straight line down to touch the boot. Awesome. And then probably you raise your hand. Raise my hand. Maybe this is Daddy. I'm inside the boat.
And me.
Then let's draw some here. Another circle for the head. Then let's make you to have a skirt. Because you're a girl, let's make it like you have a skirt like this. So just make it like a triangle. Yeah, that's fine. Then you have to color it black inside there. Make it black. That's somewhere. And also raise your head because you're having fun. you screaming, shouting, and saying, "Oh, friends, see me! I'm on the boat ride." It's so fine. Friends, I hope you enjoyed our drawing today. Please give us thumbs up, like our video, like our channel, also subscribe to our channel. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
Bye bye.
Alright, bye friends, and we love you so much. Alright, take care and see you in our next video. Bye.